Hi, in front of me is OPPO A2 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access apps. Then click on App Cloner at the top and click on one of your available apps that you wish to clone. Now just click on this gray sweater next to Create App Clone to activate it. And when it's ready, adjust those two options. You can rename your app by typing in wherever you want to and hitting Save in the pop-up. And then click on When using quick functions and select the best option for you. Wherever you decided when you finished, just click on Home button. So now, when I check, I can see that my Facebook was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, just go back to the same settings and tap on No Blue Sweater at the top. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!